Hey, what's up, you happy people? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. The trailer you saw was from a fluke fishing trip we made earlier. I have a full video in my channel if you haven't checked it out yet. In that video, I made some delicious sushi roll with the fluke fillet. But today, I'm going to show you a different recipe. It's called Braised Fluke. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's start to prepare the fish. Take out the head and the tail and cut the fish into 1-inch pieces. Cut each piece into half. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon 13 spices powder, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking wine. Mix all the spices well with the fish. Ginger, garlic, and onion are needed. Add ginger, garlic, and onion into the hot wok. Add the marinated fish into the wok. Use the beer to rinse off the bowl and add the beer to the fish. Cook the fish for about 10 minutes in lower heat. Then under the high heat to condense the broth. Here is the braised fluke I'm talking about. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my future posting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.